Hey folks, how you guys doing? Recently our daughter asked us to help her build a couple of tops for some cabinets that she had. Very special cabinets, so she wanted very special tops. As you know, we have a sawmill, lumber yard, drying kilns, hundreds of thousands of dollars of expensive machinery. So when we do woodworking, we don't do woodworking like your average family does woodworking. You'll probably be surprised at the end for what we were able to construct. Please hit the like button. Please hit the subscribe button. Isn't that right, Chip? He's looking for a mouse or something. There's something that ran up in there and he's not real interested in filming. But even if you like him looking for creatures and critters inside our log pile, hit the subscribe button and hit the like button, because he would like to stay on film. I mean, actually more people know his name than they know my name. My name, by the way, is Robert Milton, the owner and president of Hobby Hardwood. His name is Chip. He runs the place. If you watch enough videos, you know that. You've got me, a retired research and development engineer for the Army. Then we have my wife, who's retired from NASA just recently. My daughter, who is a mechanical engineer, is actively working in the defense industry. And my son-in-law, who's married to her, who is a dentist. So we got 3 engineers, a dentist, a dog. Hope you guys enjoy it. I know Chip's getting fired up. He's upset because he couldn't find what was under here. So now he's fixing to get on, he's fixing to take on that little hunk of wood right there and just tear it up. Isn't that right, Chip? Oh yeah, he's not happy. And this is why he's called Chip. Let's go build some heirloom furniture.
What is the final dimension?
The final is 31.5.
21.
What?
30. Wait,
I do have 2 booths over in the other building. Is there any flyers down there? That genetic malfunction. Oh, I have these too. Here, do you want to get it? Ha! Ha 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 ha! Got it though. Nice.
All right, now we're in the workshop.
Through that? Okay, cool. I didn't think you had a planer big enough to do that.
what?
I don't.
Not have a big enough planer.
I don't know how any of your machines work anymore. Don't look at me like that. Anyway, shouldn't we be focusing?
Are you subscribed to my videos?
On YouTube?
Turn the blower on. No.
This one? This one?
That one.
Ooh. over 8.
Okay.
So
Chippy's trying to help.
we gotta edge one of them too.
Actually, 2 of them.
Yes, that too. Yeah, this one, so that one was like 22 and an extra like 16th, which is fine, but we should probably take a whole 1/4 inch off.
Let's see.
So this is the one we need to cut.
Yeah. Where's the biscuit maker?
We left the oven in the kitchen, Mom. Let's make some biscuits.
He's dead.
Yeah, how often do you do a biscuit?
Well, I don't know, every morning.
All right, we're gonna have to all make a pact. Stop doing biscuit jokes. We're never gonna get this done. So, are we gonna need the biscuit on this part over here where we're gonna cut off eventually?
We're gonna starve that son.
No biscuits for him.
Is there like a verb to use for biscuiting?
Get it, Kip. Get it. Get it. He'll be there for a while.
Like, or can they be like right across from each other?
You know, it's up to you.
Or do you stagger them?
It's up to your artistic aesthetics.
My aesthetics?
Yay!
Oh,
you got it.
yay! Good boy! Is that okay?
Yep.
I'm asking Dad.
Yes, that's...
God, you sound like Ted. Just wing it.
I don't think they have an expiration date.
They might be bad. It just means they'll be less potent when you take them. Like so, like that. So do I do a 3 and 4 or another
You know,
one?
it's kind of freestyle at this point.
And then color the heart in.
So creative.
Perfect. Oh my God, I'm nervous. Is it over?
It's over.
Oh, look at that! It's so perfect. Awesome.
So, Chrissy, can you explain what you're doing?
I'm biscuiting.
Okay.
It has to hang over the edge.
Pretty much self-explanatory.
There's a little red line here that you line up with your actual line here. And then you line this up like that, and then you hold it like that, and then you hit this, and then you go.
Perfect.
See? So easy, even a male engineer could do it. Even a retired one.
Ouch. We must prepare the clamps.
Attaboy.
Yep.
Bigger. Bigger than that.
Make sure that
There you go. You got it. Okay, well that seemed a bit extreme, but sure. It's harder than it looks. You do the next one.
in the hand. What?
Oh my God! I mean, oh, damn, Mom! Wait, now you're gonna put more. It's fine. It'll plane off.
Is the hair your way?
We're gonna turn on.
For the second one.
flat. These are also the crappier clamps. I don't have mine on, Mom, yet. All right, there you go.
Like most YouTube videos, there was a little bit of drama. We were literally down to the last squeeze. Chip, do you need to pee on it?
No.
So anyway, what we do next week is we scrape the glue beads off, and then we run it through the planer.
Okay, Tim, you do something.
You don't like the sound.
That is such a painful sound.
So apparently that sound affects pregnant women. Is that right, Christine?
I really thought I was gonna throw up the first time. Let's just move on, shall we? So we're cutting this way, right?
Yeah. Okay.
2 engineers and a doctor should be able to figure this one out. What was that, Christine? One more time, I want to get on camera.
I said he's
Two engineers and a doctor, I'll be able to figure this out.
He's just a dentist. It's a movie quote, okay? You should ask people in the comments if they know what movie that's from. You know what Tim's been giving me crap about lately?
What's that?
That I write too hard.
Oh.
I dig the Sharpie
You
into
take
the
Sharpie
plywood
markers
too
instead of
hard.
Just doing like some light little, just like takes the tip and just stamps it.
Tell them about
These are crooked, like.
being in the same room with me taking a test with a mechanical pencil.
It
It's like
breaks every
shrapnel. It's like a grenade going on.
I kind of write hard too. I wouldn't think that was a hereditary thing.
Oh, I doubt it's hereditary. It's probably learned.
Grew.
What grew?
This right here goes right here.
Well, I can't see that.
There you go.
Okay, so then, keep your hand out of the way.
Noted.
Noted.
Hold it.
Hold it.
You pick
I don't
one.
need my fingers.
Sweet.
And it was free.
Right on. Sorry. Nice. That's fun. It's like a little graph. Like a little bar chart. Increasing your profits.
Oh, it is on my side.
Well, it's not on my side. There, like that. Good job. The Hobby Hardwood's profits are increasing. What are you doing?
His line was much smoother.
He learned that in dental school. So now we take them back and plane them?
Yep.
Choo choo.
It's not hard.
So do we round up or down?
Down.
Up? Or down?
So many decisions.
Do I round up or do I round down? Doesn't matter.
It's 5,000ths of an inch.
I don't think so.
Green.
Got it. Thanks. Oh man, we were gotta plan something else though. Oh, your face. Get this
What's
one.
up?
I was about
B-roll.
to give you an eye roll. Get out of my face. You guys, it's
line.
kind of hard to tell the line in the boards. Dope. Here we hold that. Thank you.
Success?
Yes.
So now I just gotta not drop them between.
Yeah, don't drop them on the way.
Dear Lord Almighty, don't you do it.
Sun's going down. Let's go home. That's our trademark thing now. Why don't you say it this time?
What do I say? Do you want us to like hold the pieces up?
Yes, you want
Like
to.
smile.
Not in front of his face. The beautiful sunset at Hobby Hardwood.
Time to go home.
So
Okay.
just say it, yeah.
It's another beautiful sunset at Hobby Hardwood. It's time to go home. Okay, I don't like being on camera. Let's go.
Come on. Come on, Lena. Come on. Oops.